What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the apps crashing issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. Now after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open and close the app 2 to 3 times which is not working or crashing. So if your music app isn't working, then open the app, tap on this recent key and then close it, and repeat this process 2 to 3 times, and after that the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is try updating the app which is crashing. So for that, open Play Store, tap on this profile icon on the top right corner, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now tap on Updates Available option, and from here update the app which is not working properly. And after updating the app will start working properly and crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the app's crashing issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.